Need to run your business from anywhere? The QuickBooks Online mobile app puts essential accounting functions right in your pocket. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Download the app and log in with your QBO credentials. The dashboard gives you a snapshot: income, expenses, profit, and overdue invoices. You can create and send invoices, record expenses, with receipt capture, check your bank feeds, and even run basic reports. The interface is streamlined for mobile, making it fast to perform common tasks on the go. My crucial pro tip: use mileage tracking if you drive for business. Enable location services and use the app's built-in mileage tracker. It automatically logs trips when you drive, which you can then classify as business or personal. This creates a perfect, IRS-ready log that saves you hundreds of tax time. Manage your money and your business from the job site, the road, or your couch. What's the most useful thing you do on the QuickBooks mobile app? For more guides on flexible business management, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.